Surprise. I bet you thought you seen the last of me. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I know that it's been a hot minute since I posted anything, and I'm sorry about that. I would say that I've been like pretty busy, you know, but truth is I haven't been. I've just been slacking really hard.
Hip hip! Boo! Hip hip! Boo! Hip hip! Boo! You stink!
Awkward. Before I get started with the rest of the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button right here. Give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that bell button as well. That way you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. As many of you know or may not know, I will be moving out of my family's house next week. I'm gonna move for school, so today my family and I were gonna go to Ikea to, you know, look for some stuff for my new place. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along and we'll see what we find. I'm going for like a really different vibe. My vibe right now in my room is, it's pretty dark, like everything is black, and I'm trying to go for something more bright, like white. I'll show you guys my room real quick. Okay, so this is my room right now. Sorry for the mess. My box is my dog's cage. But you see everything is like, it's pretty dark. Everything's pretty black. So I'm aiming to get, I need to get like a new white desk to go in there. And maybe like a white nightstand or something, and yeah. So let's go. Hey guys, this is MTV and welcome to my crib. Just kidding. I love coming to Ikea because I love seeing like how everything is set up. These shelves are pretty cool. I kind of want some, I think this is like the kind of thing I want, except I want it in white. And definitely not for that price. My dad bought me a new TV too. It's like 2 inches smaller than this one, so I need a stand for that. This bathroom is pretty interesting. Nice. Ooh, looking fresh.
Prices are over there, but that doesn't come with the mattress.
Hi.
Feel it.
Say hi guys.
Hi.
My mom.
Hi.
Sister.
We're here shopping for Nico.
Sister.
He's gonna spend some money. Welcome to our new crib.
This is like a little shelf thing. I was kind of thinking of something like this too, to use maybe like as a nightstand on the side of my bed instead of a actual nightstand like this, so I can have more storage. Some couches. I might need a couch too. I'm not sure. But not right now, probably. But
Ooh.
this is a nice.
Nah, this is not gonna be.
Oh, that's a nice picture. This is the exact one that I was looking for. This white 4-1 that I can use. I'm thinking like as a nightstand, maybe.
You have to write it.
Okay, so yeah, I was thinking about getting this for my nightstand and also maybe for my TV stand as well, like a 6-1 instead of a 4-1. Put my TV on there. Okay, so I actually like this little coffee table thing too for my TV, but I wanted it in white and I don't think they have it in white, so no. There's this nightstand here. I mean, nightstand. This.
These are only $40. You can see it, but you rather have like
Like this. I don't know if this is too big for my room.
I want my.
I like it though. I'll write down the number just in case.
$80. And it comes with these things too?
There's little compartments for these shelves right here, and look at this one. Like, it goes in the middle of the shelf and separates them to make like 4. It's interesting. I'm debating what kind of compartments to get. If I should have black ones, white ones, or like wicker ones. I'm not really sure which one I want.
There's a lot of dust.
The one, this desk is the one that I came for right here, this one. But the one I want. The little drawers right here. Yeah, so it's this one, but in white. Okay, so because they don't have the one that I want, which is that one in white, I have to come over here and basically build it. I have to choose the top and the pegs and get the drawers separately, so it's kind of annoying. Alright, so I'm gonna get this, the 47-inch tabletop with these white pegs, and then for this Alex drawer, I'm gonna get, I think, the one that has 5, because I don't need that big like flower one, so I'm gonna get that one. And so it's gonna look like this one right here, except in pretty much. Okay guys, so since I watch HGTV, I feel like I know everything about like a house. Like I'm a pro, even though I'm not. Like these white subtiles. Oh,
$10,926.
It's dummy expensive. I've really been feeling like the white lately, like white everything. It's like super clean and modern looking. This isn't all white, but you know what I mean?
I want it perfect king size.
This picture is so dope. I want something like that.
Yes, king size.
It's a king size bed. They could literally sleep both ways.
I know.
Forward and
With me and your dad.
and me. You can fit all of us in it.
Okay, so here's some white nightstands. I'll draw. So I'm kind of debating either between this one with the drawer, sounds ugly, or that one. It looks a more contemporary one. Kind of like that one, but I'm not sure yet. Here's the most unnecessary part of all of Ikea, where nobody ever wants to be, but always ends up getting something from here. Look at these lamp lights. They're like balloons.
Look at that one over there. Like
They're dope.
clouds and that big one over there.
Stars and clouds and a house.
Oh, and it doesn't come with that thing to turn it on to it. It comes in here.
I actually need to get a new lamp for my room too, but not right now. So tiny. Super small. I don't know what kind of color lamp I want, because if all my whole room could be kind of white, I don't want it like a white lamp. Because it'll be too much white, so I need something to contrast with the white, something that'll pop. Pero, yo no sé. These pictures are super nice.
Want to go lay down on this? I can lay.
Is it a comfortable couch? Oh guys, I think I'm actually gonna get this plant for my desk. Finally, where all the magic happens. Got the Linman desk.
Anything else?
Alright guys, so I'm back from Ikea. I actually got what I needed to get, which was the white desk. That's the only thing that I really needed, that I went for, and I got that. The other things that I needed were like a nightstand and a little organizer thing that I did see at Walmart, so I'll probably go there and get that one for a lot cheaper than it was there. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.